Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the beautiful, chaotic, and delicious city of Hanoi, Vietnam. This isn't just a travel guide, it's a love letter to a city that completely captured my heart. Let's jump into the ultimate guide to experiencing the magic of Vietnam's capital. Our first immersion into Hanoi begins here, in the legendary Old Quarter. This is Hanoi's beating heart, the vibrant core where the city's history and energy converge. It's a place where the past whispers from every corner, and the present pulses with life. A labyrinth of 36 ancient streets, each with its own unique story to tell. Historically, each street was once dedicated to a different craft, a legacy that subtly lingers even today. You can still find pockets where artisans practice their time-honored skills. The energy is electric, a palpable buzz that vibrates through the very air. It's a symphony of sounds, sights, and smells that assaults the senses in the best possible way. Scooters whiz by in a seemingly chaotic dance, a constant stream of motion that somehow manages to flow. Street food sizzles on every corner, tempting you with aromas that are both exotic and comforting. And colonial buildings glow in faded yellows, a reminder of a bygone era that adds another layer to the Old Quarter's rich tapestry. Wander aimlessly through the narrow alleyways, letting your curiosity be your guide. Discover hidden temples tucked away from the main thoroughfares, quiet sanctuaries amidst the urban bustle, and watch families gather on tiny stools, sharing meals and laughter in a scene that is both intimate and inviting. The Old Quarter is a street food paradise, a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Point, smile, and engage with the friendly vendors, and prepare to be amazed by the explosion of flavors and textures that await you. It's not just a place to see, it's so much more than that. It's a place to feel with every sense, an immersive experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Dive in and let Hanoi's spirit sweep you away, embrace the chaos, and allow yourself to be captivated by its undeniable charm. Feeling overwhelmed by the city's vibrant energy? Head to Hoan Kiem Lake, Hanoi's tranquil soul, a place where the city's hustle fades into a gentle hum. It's a serene escape right in the heart of the bustling capital. Legend says a magical sword, once wielded by Emperor Lalois, was returned to a sacred turtle god right here in these very waters. This tale is deeply woven into the fabric of Vietnamese history. This happened after Vietnam's glorious victory over invaders, symbolizing peace and the return of power to its rightful place. The lake stands as a testament to that triumph. Stroll the lakeside and let the gentle breeze wash over you. Watch locals practice Tai Chi, their movements fluid and graceful, a dance of health and mindfulness. Join them if you feel inspired, and admire the iconic Turtle Tower, standing proudly in the center of the lake, a silent guardian of Hanoi's past. Cross the Red Huc Bridge, its vibrant color a stark contrast to the tranquil waters, leading you to Ngak Son Temple. This is a peaceful sanctuary floating above the water, a place of reflection and spiritual connection. It's the perfect spot to soak in Hanoi's history and serenity, to breathe deeply and to find a moment of calm amidst the city's vibrant pulse. Next, step back 1,000 years at the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university. Walk through serene courtyards and gardens past stone turtles carrying the names of ancient scholars. Students still come here to pray for luck before exams. The scent of incense lingers as you explore this living monument to education. It's a powerful reminder of Vietnam's deep respect for learning. Don't miss it. Now, the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, Vietnam's most solemn landmark. Here lies Ho Chi Minh, the nation's revolutionary leader, in a massive granite tomb at Ba Dinh Square. The visit is formal and deeply respectful. No photos, no talking inside. Explore the surrounding museum and his humble stilt house for a glimpse into his life. It's essential for understanding Hanoi's history. Ready for something wild? Welcome to Hanoi Train Street. A working railway runs inches from homes and cafes. Life pauses as the train thunders by, then resumes as if nothing happened. Sip coffee on the tracks but stay alert. It's a heart-pounding spectacle and a testament to Hanoi's adaptability. Only in Hanoi can daily life and danger blend so seamlessly. Don't miss this urban thrill. Time to eat. Get ready to dive headfirst into the culinary heart of Vietnam. We're about to embark on a delicious journey through the vibrant streets of Hanoi, where every corner offers a new and exciting flavor. Hanoi's food is legendary. It's a symphony of tastes, textures, and aromas that will tantalize your senses. From savory to sweet, spicy to mild, there's something here to satisfy every palate. Start with pho, the quintessential Vietnamese noodle soup. Whether you prefer beef or chicken, you're in for a treat. The rich broth, simmered for hours with aromatic spices, is the soul of this dish. Add a generous handful of fresh herbs like cilantro, mint, and basil for an extra burst of flavor. It's pure comfort in a bowl, a hug from the inside out. Next, try bun chow. This dish features succulent grilled pork patties, served with delicate rice noodles, and a mountain of fresh herbs, all swimming in a tangy dipping sauce, a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and sour. Even Obama and Bourdain loved it, making it a must-try for any visitor. For dessert, sip egg coffee. This unique concoction is creamy, sweet, and totally unique. It's like liquid silk, a decadent treat that will leave you wanting more. Every meal is an adventure for your taste buds, a chance to discover new and exciting flavors. The street food here will change your life, opening your eyes to a world of culinary possibilities. Hanoi is a city you taste as much as you see, a place where food is an integral part of the culture. So come hungry and get ready for an unforgettable culinary experience. For a magical night, catch a water puppet show, an art form unique to northern Vietnam. Puppets dance on water, telling folk tales and legends, all to live traditional music. Even if you don't speak the language, the charm and humor are universal. It's mesmerizing, enchanting, and pure Vietnamese culture. A perfect way to end your Hanoi adventure. That's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Hanoi. From the old quarters chaos to tranquil lakes, ancient temples, and unforgettable food, Hanoi is pure magic. What are you most excited to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. Until next time, travel safe and enjoy every bite and moment in Hanoi.